Sometimes you have a method that you want to keep, but you just want to add a little more functionality. Once again, PHP gives us a way to keep the original method while still adding code. In the original Listing Basic class, the constructor method calls a setValues method, which, as its name implies, sets each property value. We need this setValues method to set the description as well, but only for the Listing Premium class. Let's copy the method and paste it into our Premium class. At the end, let's copy status and change it to description. Set description. We now have a setValues method in our Premium class that overrides the method in the Basics class. Let's go back to our test and add the description on construction. This is an array. So we say description equals my description. And let's preview this again. As we can see, the description is still set. This works, but it's a lot of repeated code, which is something that we're trying to avoid. Instead of setting all the properties that were set in the Basic class, I can call the original method from the parent class. Parent setValues. And we pass the data. The code from the parent method is called wherever I place this method call. So if I wanted to add my new code before the original method, I could place the call below my code. The last class update is to our collection. We need to update our statuses. We need to add Premium. This will update the status dropdown from our form and also control the order in our select statement, so make sure that you add it as the first element. Now that the classes are ready, we just need to add the description to our form. Open Views, Form Listing. Let's duplicate the website group. We'll remove the input tag because we're going to want to include a text area instead. Not all listings will have the getDescription method, only premium listings. So before we can get the description, we need to check if the listing is of the class Listing Premium, or has this class as one of its parents. If is a listing Premium. This will allow us to know if we'll be able to use the getDescription method. Let's test upgrading a listing to Premium. Let's decrease this font size. We get an error. No such column allowed tags. Let's take a closer look at exactly what update is doing.